In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blog posts in HubSpot. First, sign in to your HubSpot account and head to your main dashboard. From here, look toward the top navigation and open the Content section. Inside Content, choose Blog to get to your blog management area, where you can see existing posts and create new ones. Next, click Create. Then select Blog as the content type. Choose Create Blog Post to open the editor. At the top of the editor, click into the title field and add a clear, compelling blog post title. Keep it concise, keyword-conscious, and informative. This helps readers and search engines understand what your post is about. You can fine-tune how it appears in search later in settings. In the main editor, click where it says Click to add text and start writing your content. Use headings to structure your sections, short paragraphs for readability, and formatting like bold or italics only where it truly adds clarity. Add links to relevant resources, and if you include images, make sure they're compressed for fast loading and that each image has descriptive alt text for accessibility and SEO. If you're drafting, don't worry. HubSpot auto-saves as you go, so you won't lose your work. I'll add a quick placeholder so you can see it come together. Now move over to Settings. Here, you can select the blog author, which helps with credibility and author pages. Add tags to categorize your content and make it easier for readers to discover related posts. Write a concise meta description, 1 or 2 sentences that summarize the value of the article and include your primary keyword. This snippet often appears in search results, so make it inviting. You can also add a featured image to represent your post on listing pages and social shares. Choose something clear and on brand. While we're here, take a moment to check the URL slug for readability and make sure it reflects your main topic. Now, let's take a look at our progress. To do this, click on Preview in the top right corner. While HubSpot generates the live version of your post, keep in mind that this is the best time to see how your formatting actually looks to a reader. Feel free to explore these options, as they can make your blog look even better by showing you exactly where you might need to adjust your spacing or image placement before you go live. Once you've double-checked every detail and you're satisfied with the result, go ahead and hit Publish, and just like that, your blog post is live and ready to connect with your audience. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more.